over the intercoastal from Ormond Beach to Ormond Beach. And there's the intercoastal there. Overcast day today, which means actually more people will be out because it's less heat. We're going to a restaurant we discovered last season. Our campground is about 5 miles behind us. We're approaching A1A. On our left here, there's a place called Peach Valley Cafe directly to the left that we missed there, and that's where we eat sometimes. And at this red light here, if you go to the right, that's Ormond Beach proper, and then it goes down to Daytona the next another mile or two down. But we're gonna go to the left here to a restaurant we found called the Sunrise Cafe or something like that, and pizzeria, where they have breakfast all day and cheesesteaks for the lovely missus. Isn't that right?
That's right, baby. There's a cool little garage over there. It's got some old vehicles in there.
Oh, yeah. You went over and looked in there last time, right?
Yeah, we had the picnic right there.
Going to show you some of the homes here along the beach in Ormond Beach as we drive up A1A. Oh, look at that. That's incredible. Hold on. Incredible.
Yeah, some really nice homes with right on the beach.
I wonder if people that vacation here and come to Daytona Beach, Ormond Beach, even know these exist because they're not in the tourist area. Wow, look at that.
Look at this one. Beautiful homes.
Unbelievable homes, I would venture to say.
True. You can tell which ones have been here for a long time and which ones were tore down and built new, for sure. And that's where we're heading. Uh-oh. They close at 2 in an hour.
I ordered a meat lover's omelet and with a side of grits, and the lovely ordered, what did you order?
Cheesesteak with sweet potato fries.
Cheesesteak and sweet potato fries. Ah. We're at the Sunrise Cafe in Ormond Beach. Ooh. Yes.
We love your food here. We come back every time we're in town.
That is my meat lover's omelet and grits. And look at the size of that cheesesteak. Thank you very much. All right. Now, people, you don't want to watch me eat, so we'll watch Mrs. Davis eat.
No, you won't.
We'll be back.
funny. That was sweet. That was sweet.
We are pulling out of the campground now, and what are we going to go to? What are we going to try to see?
SpaceX Falcon 9 launch.
SpaceX Falcon 9 launch. We're about 60 miles from the launch pad, right up the beach. So we're just going to go down, you know, the beach or A1, go down the highway and then get on to A1A and see what happens. We ain't making any arrangements with anything. We're flying by the seat of our vintage pants.
But since we're so close, why not?
Yeah, we'll just see what happens here. A couple Harleys coming in. We're right next to I guess it's the world's biggest Harley Davidson dealer here in Daytona Beach. The campground is right next to it. And there's our campground sign. Oh, you can see it, Sunshine Holiday. And we'll come back when we're getting close. We have just pulled in and parked at Space View Park, just a couple miles directly east of the launch pad. And we thought it was going to be packed, but there's, you know, look at that, loads of parking places, an RV, because we really didn't know what to expect down here at the launch. The lovely missus went to take some pictures over there. I don't know of what, but she loves taking pictures. And we'll return with the launch. I totally missed it.
Well, kind of, but...
I can't believe we don't hear it.
I'm surprised at that too.
Now we can hear it.
Now it's rolling across the water.
Now it's what, off the water?
Rolling across the water. The sound.
Start the descent now, I guess. Gonna let the payload go up there, and then the launch rocket is gonna come back down.